Got it all cleaned out, ready to pave it. Milled out, we're gonna tack it, and then we're gonna pave it. I don't know how much of the asphalt paving I'm gonna get because the inspector don't want this video, and he said it might be a hazard, so I'll try to do what I can do though. Alright, we got it all tacked up. So I'll show you guys here. Just waiting for it to break over before we start laying asphalt. When I mean break over, you can see where it's brown, and you can't start paving until it turns black, like that. So we ain't got too much longer, and then I'll get back with you on the asphalt part. Trying to get as much as I can, guys, but we got city inspectors out running on video. But anyway, we got to pull a skim pass like we're doing here. Get it all leveled up, then we're going to back up with a 2-inch cap over it. I'll get as much as I can while I can. So that's where we're at right now. Here's what we got so far. Trying to get a little more footage. But skim past all of it. And we laid that other part over there. I'll show you guys that. I would have videoed the whole thing, but can't. Watch that water. Skim past this. We gotta skim past that. This side we finished. Over here. It's finished. Like I said, trying to get as much video as I can, but you know how that goes. But I'll get back with you when we start running this other side. Sneak a video in here real quick. So what we got done so far, backing up to finish it off. Yeah. So what we got done so far all the way down. I'll get back with you. I didn't get much footage on this job, but a little bit ways from the end there, about 2 foot. Let's get some humps down the sidewalk here. It's rolled in from this telephone pole back. Got some cleanup to do. Clean these piles up. That pile. Dang, man, running that miller for a week done throwed my lower back out. I'll get down here so you guys can see it. Starts from this end. It's up there on 1st Street. West 1st Street we're paving. You guys can look at it. They put this new Starbucks in. I guess they tore the street up or something, I don't know. That's what we got done. I'd like to videoed it all, but they wouldn't let me, so this is what you guys get. This is finished product. Looking good. Just be here for about another 2 hours cleaning up all these piles and stuff. On these seams, like we do residential, we feather them down. They wouldn't let us even feather them down, so they just got to butt up to each other, and that's that. So I mean, they look awful like that, but that's what they wanted. That's everything. Oh, a little too far. Come on, right there. Alright guys, I'll get back with you. But we're completely done, and I'll show you the last of all of it. Well, we're all done. It's a little piece we had to finish today. That was it. That'll all blend in and look nice, but that's it. We're all done. We got a little bit of loose asphalt there from backing up on it to pave this, what's it called, alleyway. But pretty much wrapped up another one, guys. There's that little alleyway we put in. We put that in for free. I just had some left over and just gave it. But that's pretty much all of it. And like, comment, and subscribe if you want. If you like my videos, and comment, subscribe, it gets me further and further and further along, and I can share more videos and, you know, do more stuff. But other than that, that's it. I'll get back at you.